What if you could invest in real estate without owning a single property, no tenants, no mortgages, and no hassles? Imagine owning a piece of world-class casinos, massive data centers, industrial warehouses, or even self-storage facilities, all from your laptop. In today's video, we'll uncover the top 5 REITs, real estate investment trusts, for 2025. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, these REITs could provide you with steady income, portfolio diversification, and long-term growth. Stick around until the end, and I'll share how one REIT could potentially boost your returns in a way you might not expect. Real estate has always been one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. Just ask the billionaires who've built their empires brick by brick. But for most of us, buying physical property isn't practical. High down payments, maintenance costs, and tenants can make it a headache. That's where REITs come in. They allow everyday investors like you and me to own shares in portfolios of real estate assets without the heavy lifting. Plus, REITs are liquid, meaning you can buy or sell them like stocks. And here's the kicker. They're legally required to pay 90% of their taxable income back to shareholders as dividends. That's why they're a favorite for generating steady passive income. When choosing the top REITs for 2025, I focused on 3 key criteria. 1. Dividend yield. How much income you'll earn from your investment. 2. Growth potential. Does this REIT have room to expand in high-demand sectors? 3. Valuation. Is it trading at a fair price, or are you getting a discount? Now let's dive into the first REIT on our list, VICI Properties. Number 1. REIT VICI Properties, ticker VICI. First up is VICI Properties, the crown jewel of hospitality and casino REITs. This REIT owns iconic properties like Caesars Palace, MGM Grand, and the Mirage in Las Vegas. During the pandemic, when other REITs struggled, VICI stood strong with a 100% cash collection rate, a testament to its high-quality tenants and rock-solid management. Today, VICI boasts a market cap of $31 billion and a juicy dividend yield of nearly 6%. Analysts are giving it a strong buy rating with a 12-month price target of $35, implying a 20% upside from current levels. With their portfolio set to expand further, this REIT is a top pick for 2025. And let's be real, owning a piece of the Las Vegas Strip is pretty cool. Number 2. REIT Equinix, ticker EQIX. Next, let's talk about how you can ride the AI wave through real estate. Enter Equinix, the largest data center REIT in the world. With AI and cloud computing exploding in popularity, companies are scrambling to secure the infrastructure needed to power these technologies. That's where Equinix comes in, offering state-of-the-art data centers to meet skyrocketing demand. Equinix has a $91 billion market cap, and its stock is up 21% over the past year, even as most REITs struggled. Its dividend yield sits at 1.8%, but don't be fooled by the low yield. The real story is in its impressive 5-year dividend growth rate of 12%. This REIT isn't cheap, trading at a premium valuation. But for those willing to invest in the backbone of the digital economy, Equinix deserves a spot on your watchlist. Number 3. REIT Prologis, ticker PLD. Our third pick is Prologis, the largest REIT in the world with a market cap of $98 billion. Prologis is an industrial REIT specializing in warehouses and logistics hubs, making it a direct play on the rise of e-commerce. Think about it. Every time you order something online, there's a good chance it passed through one of Prologis's properties. Despite a tough year for REITs, analysts are predicting a rebound, with Prologis offering a 20% upside and a dividend yield of 3.7%. Combine that with a 133% 5-year dividend growth rate, and you've got a REIT that delivers income and growth potential. Number 4. REIT Rexford Industrial, ticker REXR. Rexford Industrial focuses on high-demand industrial properties in Southern California, one of the busiest logistics hubs in the world. With a smaller market cap of $9 billion, Rexford is a more focused play compared to Prologis. And while its stock is down 30% over the past year due to macroeconomic headwinds, analysts see this as a buying opportunity. The stock offers a dividend yield of 4.4%, paired with a 5-year dividend growth rate of 18%. If interest rates stabilize and the Southern California market rebounds, Rexford could deliver nearly 50% upside in 2025. For patient investors, this REIT has massive potential. Number 5. REIT Extra Space Storage, ticker EXR. What's more American than hoarding stuff? That's where extra space storage comes in. This REIT owns 2.7 million storage units across 40 states, making it the largest self-storage operator in the U.S. by square footage. Self-storage demand has steadily grown, with 11% of U.S. households now renting storage space, double the rate from 20 years ago. With a dividend yield of 4.4% and a 133% 5-year dividend growth rate, Extra Space Storage is an all-weather REIT that provides steady returns. Analysts predict a 15% upside in 2025, making it a solid addition to any portfolio. Each of these REITs offers unique opportunities. From VICI's casinos to Equinix's data centers, Prologis's warehouses, Rexford's industrial properties, and Extra Space Storage's self-storage units, these REITs cover diverse sectors of the economy. By investing in a mix of these REITs, you can diversify your portfolio, earn steady dividends, and position yourself for long-term growth. Now that you know the top REITs for 2025, here are 3 tips to maximize your returns. 1. Start small. You don't need a massive upfront investment. 1. Start with what you can and build over time. 2. Reinvest dividends. Use your dividends to buy more shares and watch your investment compound. 3. Stay informed. The real estate market is always changing, so keep an eye on trends, interest rates, and sector performance. Real estate has been a cornerstone of wealth building for centuries, and with REITs, you can join the game without owning a single property. So, which of these REITs are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more stock market insights, and share it with a friend who's looking to grow their portfolio. Thanks for watching, and here's to a prosperous 2025. Take care and happy investing.